The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
I wonder, say, yo, you can just stay silent about it, but I'm glad to say them a quick response from it, as it.
Yeah, because them are going to make the public try you, and so once the public try you, the public don't have a perception of you already. So once the public try you, the public don't have a certain perception of you already. So they might try to ruin your reputation.
The man is going to say, yeah, man, an artist, man, and him a wolf.
Yeah, man, they might try to ruin your reputation. So when they ruin your reputation and ruin your character now, it make they're not knowing that the next 2 years, 3 years from this now, them think they live with you and continue and make your life harder, right down the cheap, right down when you travel.
For real.
You understand what I say? Look how long the man do them thing and them case are going and rare and bait things. See? And then now they don't come run with my name, I run with this and run with that. They don't come come about interview. Interview on the moment.
I'm sure about interview already.
All of us don't want to search some place and get number of much for number card. I'm going to interview in a moment.
Tell them, man, yo, I realize that yo, the media outlet in Jamaica, them not nothing for right, but as I said, them just want a story to run with.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, my day again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. So I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that I be recorded live on social media. During the live recording, an artist who goes by the name of octane said some things that gave me the understanding that he somewhat responded to allegations that had been made about him pertaining to the Clansman trial. See? Now, I just presented to you a piece of the video that shows octane talking to someone. And I also saw a post made on social media by octane. Now, according to some things that I read in that post, I got the understanding that octane also responded to allegations made about him pertaining to the Clansman trial in the post that I saw on social media. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to read from that post that I saw on social media that have been made by octane viewers and subscribers so that you can have a better understanding about this whole situation. Now, please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from the post, but I'm doing my best, alright? After reading this and see what they say about me, where and how am I a criminal? People me never know say voicing music for an established recording company is a crime. Me boss from me a 16/17 over 15 or more years now, and me voice for so many ghetto labels. Boss enough ghetto youths who are produce music from the ghetto and never involve or mention in any criminal activities. So why now? Just let me clarify something that I see on the internet. First thing, no one escort me to studio. Do your research. People in the music can tell you I have my own recording studio. So when anybody wants to do any form of recording, they meet me at the studio. Next thing, why would I doing crime and have my little daughter at a crime scene? So if having my daughter who loves music at my studio when I am recording, so she can learn more plus voicing for a known recording company, where is the crime? Okay then, that means that the majority of Jamaican artists are criminal then. I am one of the biggest Jamaican superstars for years now. So let me tell Uno this. I have come across, bracket, over my 15 years, enough youth who in a badness because of their background, but come to me and say, DJ, help take me out of badness. Note, I don't know nothing about them badness, but them ask for help just to record a song on a rhythm so they can get into producing. And me nah go tell no lies. Me record for them over and over because I want to show them say life no stop a badness. Jones Avenue Records is a big recording label and multiple artists have done recording for them. So how I octane is a criminal for do the same thing. Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers. I only hope say you get a good understanding from the post that have been made on social media by Octane. Alright? Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a man who was so intoxicated at the time when the video had been recorded to the point that the person was not able to walk properly. The video shows when the person fell to the ground, viewers and subscribers, you see me? And according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if someone tried to help the person who was intoxicated and fell to the ground. Now, I want you to tell me what you think about the video that I'm about to present to you, and I want to say this to each and everyone, that drinking can be dangerous to your health. See? Now, I cannot tell anyone what to do, but if you're going to drink, make sure that you're at the legal age for drinking and drink responsibly. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, Piggy. So Piggy, oh, Piggy, man. Piggy, me bomba. A bomba. And the pussy them take for me. Alright. Piggy. Yo, bro. Hey, bro. You okay, bro? Yo, bro. Yo, bro. You okay, bro? Bro. We gotta go home, bro. Piggy, come. Come, lift up. Come, Piggy, come. Me go up in a bomb, no, but the word put it in palm me. Hey, me get up, Piggy. I'm my last cut you. What? My last cut you. Me get to me pay a bomb back police. And a police me talk about my last cut you. My mole lamp on the last. Take up your things then. Take up your things. Take up your sitting. Take up them there. We are gonna go drink, come and go fuck up yourself. Trust you. Hey, what is this? Come. Get up. Come. Stand up.
My people, I wonder if you see what me see when it comes down to that video. The man drunk, the man intoxicated, and at the same time the man I travel with a machet, or the man was walking with a machet. Some person might call it a cutlass. You see me, I say, I wonder if you see the danger of that, my people. You see the danger of that? What if that machet somehow, Jano, they don't even want to talk about it. I tell them, my people, Jano, Me say, my people, over the years, from me know myself as a grown man, me see people drink and drunk and do some things where me I say to myself, so what make people do themselves so? You see me I say, me remember two man drink drunk and the two of them fast asleep in the bar, hug up in the bar together. See me I say, right from the ground. I mean, you know, if I believe them say then they in them bed with their significant other or what, but the two man them fast asleep and hug up in the bar like them think they in them bed. Drunk, you know. See? Me remember me see man drink, drunk and fast asleep on the roadside. Me talk about on the roadside, the sidewalk where car drive past, on main road, my people. And the person will drink, drunk and asleep on the roadside, I roll at the same time and people just walk and I pass him. You know. I don't know if nobody step over him, you know, people. You see me I say? Me remember one time I see a man drink and drunk and dip on the ground and I want dog me see. But they even want to say certain things, yeah, my people. Listen. Me can't tell a man what to do, and me can't tell a woman what to do. You see me I say, but I'm just going to say these things. Drinking can be bad for your health. Drink responsibly, and make sure that you're at the legal age for drinking. See? And here's some other left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.